Hello guys, so for today's video, I will show you a very simple tutorial on how to do Brutalism posters using Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. So you can do this for yourself or just like me, I did this for a fan poster which is Mina from Twice. The first thing that we will do is we will choose a font that we want and will match our theme. So in my case, I chose Impact font. So as you can see on this side, you can adjust the size, color, and spacing and many more. Copy and paste the text so you can add a new text and edit it with another word. You can rotate it using the rotate tool on the left side of the screen. You can also add some details or text that will enhance your design. Don't put colors yet because we will do it later on. So after modifying your design, you will now open Adobe Photoshop and click the file and new. Then make sure the file from the Adobe Illustrator and the file that you will make here in Adobe Photoshop has the same size. So for me, I size it 612 by 612 pixels. Go back to the Adobe Illustrator, select all the file and paste it in the Adobe Photoshop and paste a smart object. Adjust it by pressing Ctrl+T and Enter if you're done adjusting. Select the rectangle tool and apply it on your project. Then click again Ctrl+T and adjust the shape where you want to put the photos and enter when you're done. So I made two shapes for my photo because I will use two, so just arrange it based on your own preference. Search for the pictures that you want, or if you already have, you can add it on your project by selecting File in the upper left part of the screen and click Open, then add your file. You need to double-click the lock icon on your layer and click OK so it will be unlocked. Drag the photo using the Move tool, drag it to the file where your project is. Make sure that your photo is on the top of the layer of rectangle shape where you want to put the photo. Right-click the layer, create the clipping mask. As you can see, it is now in the inside of the rectangle. Click the adjustment layer and select threshold. This will give brutalism effect on your projects. You can adjust your photos or the threshold level. Unlock the layer 0 below and select a bucket tool and set the color to black and put it in layer 0 so it will set the background of our project. Now, hold the Control button and click the Vector Smart Object layer, so it is the layer that came from the Adobe Illustrator, and set the color to white and select Paintbrush tool and paint the text. Now, select again the adjustment layer and click solid color and choose a color that you want. Change normal to linear burn. If you're not comfortable with a color, you can change it by double-clicking the solid color layer. I want the word Sharon on the upper right to be white, so I select the Vector Smart Object layer and Ctrl-J for it will be duplicated. Then drag the copy layer up until the top part layer. Hold Ctrl and select the layer, and I use Eraser tool to erase those text that I don't want to be white. To make the rectangle shape line visible, just go to the rectangle shape layer and double-click and choose Stroke. Set the color to white and you can adjust how thick your stroke is. You can add details to your project, but for me, I add a black crumpled paper. Just like earlier, click File and Open, then drag it to your project and adjust the opacity that will match your project. And then click Filter and choose Noise. Adjust it based on your preference, and now you're done. So I hope you learned a lot from this video, so like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.